With 50 years of industry experience, Harvey Sherzer has worked as senior counsel at BLANKROME LLP since 2016. Prior to this appointment, he held the position of senior counsel for Dickstein Shapiro LLP from 2013 to 2016, partner for Dickstein Shapiro LLP from 2003 to 2013, partner for Greenberg Traurig from 2001 to 2003, and partner for Howry and Simon from 1985 to 2001. Previously, he served as partner for Pettit and Martin from 1982 to 1985, partner for McKenna, Connor, and Cuneo from 1980 to 1982, partner for Sellers, Connor, and Cuneo from 1975 to 1980, and associate for Sellers, Connor, and Cuneo from 1970 to 1975. Mr. Sherzer began his career as a law clerk to the Chief Judge of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit from 1969 to 1970, and a law clerk to the trial judges for the U.S. Court of Federal Claims from 1968 to 1969. Before embarking on his professional path, Mr. Sherzer pursued an education at Temple University, earning a Bachelor of Arts in 1965. He concluded his studies in 1968 at George Washington University, graduating with a Doctor of Jurisprudence with honors. Mr. Sherzer has been admitted to practice law by the District of Columbia Bar, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, the United States Court of Federal Claims, the Supreme Court of the United States, and the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia. Mr. Sherzer has participated in numerous endeavors in his professional circles. He contributed to the advisory board for the government contractor from 1996 to 1999. Mr. Sherzer found success with his written works as well, having co-authored a complete guide to the Department of Defense Voluntary Disclosure Program in 1996, as well as multiple articles to esteemed publications. Mr. Sherzer currently is active with the Brady Urological Institute Advisory Board at Johns Hopkins Medical Institution. Mr. Sherzer wrote and co-produced a Holocaust documentary, Kupishok, for Eternal Memory, in 2005. He dedicated it to his friend Norman Maier and then donated it to the National Center for Jewish Film at Brandeis University in 2005. This was a labor of love for Mr. Sherzer. In light of his exceptional undertakings, Mr. Sherzer has accrued several accolades and honors throughout his impressive career. Mr. Sherzer was selected for inclusion in multiple editions of Who's Who in America, Who's Who in American Law, Who's Who in Finance and Industry, Who's Who in the East, and Who's Who in the World.